Soft whispers of nature envelop the listener as gentle rain taps gracefully on serene leaves. A baby fox, with its bright eyes, playfully flits through a lush meadow, embodying the spirit of joy. "You are safe, you are loved," echoes softly, wrapping around the heart like a warm blanket. Nearby, a butterfly gracefully dances through the air, reminding us that beauty exists in the simplest moments. As the flute plays a gentle melody, viewers can feel each breath calming their mind, embracing peace like the soft fur of a sheltered kitten.